In the current economic conditions, have you ever considered how education can be strategic investment in your entrepreneurial journey? In this rapidly evolving business landscape, education indeed emerges as a strategic investment for the entrepreneur. It provides the tools, insights, and knowledge necessary to navigate complexities of today's business environment. Education is not limited to classrooms or traditional institutes. It extends beyond, into the vast digital cosmos. Today we have a wealth of low-cost educational resources at our fingertips. Platforms like Coursera, Udemy, or Khan Academy offer a plethora of courses, from basic business management to advanced programming skills. They are accessible, affordable, and cater to entrepreneurs at all of their journey. These platforms are treasure troves of knowledge, waiting to be explored. They equip entrepreneurs with the latest tools and insights, helping them understand new-age concepts like digital marketing strategies or the nuances of global e-commerce. Education is the backbone of entrepreneurship, the foundation upon which businesses are built and thrive. In the realm of business, knowledge truly is power. Are you leveraging the full spectrum of educational resources at your disposal? If not, it's time to expand your learning horizon. Podcasts and webinars are additional low-cost educational tools you should utilize. These platforms often feature industry experts who share valuable insights and trends that can shape your business strategies. Plus, they're typically free and can be consumed on the go, making them ideal for your busy schedule. Now let's talk about workshops and seminars. They're a step up in terms of investment, but they offer a more interactive learning experience and networking opportunities. Imagine attending a workshop on social media marketing strategies, or a seminar on the latest in supply chain management, and walking away with practical skills and new industry contacts. For those willing to make a significant educational investment, consider pursuing an MBA or other specialized graduate programs. These programs offer in-depth knowledge, skills, prestige, and more networking opportunities. Education is a multifaceted investment spanning from free resources to academic degrees. But what does it mean to be truly educated as an entrepreneur? It's not just about absorbing facts and figures, it's about cultivating a learning mindset. In the ever-evolving world of business, changes are the only constant. New technologies surface, market dynamics shift, and business models transform. To navigate this flux, you need more than just a solid educational foundation. You need the ability to adapt swiftly and anticipate trends. This is where a learning mindset comes into play. It's about staying curious, questioning the status quo, and relentlessly seeking knowledge. Imagine foreseeing the rise of e-commerce before it became the norm, or understanding the potential of blockchain technology before it revolutionized industries. Think about the edge you'd have. This is the power of a learning mindset. So, as an entrepreneur, remember this. Education isn't just about acquiring knowledge, it's about fostering a capacity for continuous learning and adaptation. So, what's the bottom line for entrepreneurs in 2024 and beyond? It's simple, really. The most strategic investment you can make is in your education. Regardless of where you're at in your entrepreneurial journey, there's a wealth of resources available to you across various cost spectrums. Starting at the low end, online courses, podcasts, and webinars provide a treasure trove of knowledge at little to no cost. They offer insights into everything from basic business management to advanced programming skills. Moving up the scale, workshops and seminars offer interactive learning experiences and invaluable networking opportunities. For those willing to make a heftier investment, pursuing an MBA or specialized graduate programs can yield in-depth knowledge, prestige, and a wealth of industry contacts. But remember, education isn't just about acquiring skills, it's about cultivating a mindset of continuous learning and adaptation. For entrepreneurs eyeing success, investing in education isn't just advisable, it's an imperative. Now, it's time to take the reins of your entrepreneurial journey. Let's think about it. You've got the drive, the vision, and the passion. Now it's time to arm yourself with the knowledge and skills to navigate the dynamic landscape of business. Education is more than just a strategic investment. It's a passport to business growth, adaptability, and success in a rapidly changing world. It's the key that unlocks doors to new opportunities, equipping you with the latest insights, trends, and tools. Don't just watch the world change, be a part of that change. Whether it's through free online resources, comprehensive academic programs, or interactive workshops, there are countless ways to invest in your education. It's about choosing to stay ahead, to be proactive, to be ready. Remember, the world of business is a marathon, not a sprint. And every step taken in education is a stride towards the finish line. Invest in education today and empower yourself for the entrepreneurial challenges of tomorrow.